Today I'm going to show you how do you find your username. Oh, you don't know your username again, you want to reset your password, or you want to send your username to someone and your Twitter username you don't know it. If you look at Twitter, let me show you. There's no our username is not there. You can see our username is not currently on our Twitter. You cannot find it. So how are you going to get it? By your email address. You can get your username by your email address, and this is how you're going to get it. You just go to your email, go to your Gmail, and you go and you open the Gmail of the email that you used to register your Twitter back then. And what you need to do is once you look there, search here and search for Twitter. Search for Twitter. You search for X. Just search for X. And you're going to see all the message from your X. And once you open it, you're going to see your username. Okay, you can see this is my username now. This is my username. This is it. So it's very easy and straightforward to find your username through your email very fast. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. See you in our next video.